today we will start a new chapter, that is algebra. Okay, in mathematics we have until now we have studied about numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This branch of mathematics is known as arithmetic. Okay, this branch of mathematics is known as arithmetic. Now the second portion, when we have studied shapes in mathematics, that is belongs to geometry. Now we will study about alphabets from A to Z, and that branch of mathematics belongs to algebra. What is the meaning of that? Means in algebra we will study about this A to Z alphabets. Okay, now we will see what is the advantage of this algebra, how can we use this A to Z alphabets in algebra. Okay, see, in algebra we can form formula. With the help of these alphabets we can extract formula for some subjects, some process, and identify the value. And through those alphabets we can identify the value which value is suitable for which function or which process. Okay, so now we will see how can we create formula through alphabets and identify the values one by one. So now we will see how can we create formula for any process through algebra. See, all of you have seen the shape of L for lion. All of you have seen shape of L. So if we are taking how many matchsticks are required to form the L shape, then you can easily answer 2 matchsticks are required to form shape of L. One stick is here and second one is here. So we can say easily number of matchsticks is equals to 2. If we want to form 2L, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We require 4 matchsticks. Number of matchsticks is equals to 4. Okay, so here is number of matchstick is 2, here is number of matchstick is 4. If we want to find out the number of matchstick which is used in formation of 100, then if we are counting them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then we are 4. Then we are 4. Why? Because we can create a formula. We can create a formula for the total number of matchstick required in 100 shape of L. 100 shape of L. How can we do that? See, this is number of matchstick required in 1L is 2. Now here is number of matchstick required in 2L, that is 4. That is 4. As we know that for the formation of matchstick, for the formation of 1L we require number of matchstick is 2. Okay, so how can we find out the number of matchstick required for the formation of 100L? Let's see how can we create a formula for this one. See, this one is the shape of L, number of matchstick. Is equals to 2. Okay. In this formation, number of matchstick is equal to 4. So for in the formation of 100 L, how many matchsticks are required? Then number of matchsticks required is equals to 2 multiply with n. 2 multiply with n. How can we do that? How can you say that? That the formula for number of matchstick required is equals to 2 multiply with n. Why? Because of in the formation of 1L there is 2, and whenever we are just forming the shape of L, it is multiplied with 2 each and every time. 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5, 2 into 6, 2 into 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and all. See, how can we do that? See, number of matchstick required for is equals to 2 into n. What is the n? N is the number of L. How many L's are required? How many L's are required? You just put the value and you will get the number of matchsticks. Okay? Okay? Okay. You don't believe me? You don't believe me? Let's see. We will use this formula. We will use this formula for all these. Okay? See. We have formula number of matchsticks required is equals to 2 multiplied with n, where is n is the number of L shape. N is the number of L shape. So when we require 1L, when we require 1L, now put this value of n into this formula. So number of matchsticks required to form 1L, that is 2 into 1, that is 2. As we have already seen that how many matchsticks are required in formation of 1L, that is 2. See, this is our formula by the help of algebra. Okay, we just create one formula. Now we are creator. Now we are creator of the formulas. Okay. Now, if we want to know how many sticks are required in formation of 2L, n is equals to 2. N is equals to 2. So it will become number of matchsticks required is equals to 2 multiplied with 2 is equals to 4. Okay, the same number which we have counted previously in the formation of 2L. Okay, now if you want to form 3L, all of you are so intelligent. Now tell me the number of matchsticks required for 3L. I am giving you, put your answer in comment box. Okay, put your answer in comment box. So see, number of matchsticks required, number of matchsticks required to form 3L, that is 2 into 3, 6. Okay, with the help of this formula, we are easily find out the number of matchstick required for 1L, 2L, 3L, 4L, 50L, 100L, 200L, any number you can take for L formation. Okay, so this is the 6. You don't believe me? Let's see how many sticks are required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is 1L, this one is 2, this one is 3. So 6 matchsticks are required to form 3L. So this is your formula, 2N. See, we can represent this 2 into N, 2N, when there is no sign between one numeral and another one is alphabet. Numeral and alphabet. When there is no sign between numeral and alphabet, then we just assume that there is multiplication sign. Okay, there is multiplication sign. One most important thing you have to notice that this is relation of multiplication. If there is no sign between 2 and n, numeral and alphabet, then you will assume there is multiplication sign. Okay, do not confuse. Between means beech mein, between. Okay, 2 multiply with n, we can represent 2 multiply with n, that is 2n. That is 2n. Okay. Now we will see how can we use this phenomena in our exercise. So open your book, page number 176, exercise 9.1. Okay. Let's see. Question number first. Question number first is, find the rule which gives the number of matchstick required to make the following matches. Pattern of Z. See, this one is the Z. How many matchsticks are required to form one Z? 1 matchstick, 2 matchstick, 3 matchstick. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So number of match sticks is 3. Okay, and whenever we are trying to form Z, there is multiple of 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. So rule for this shape, that is number of match sticks required is equals to 3 multiply with n, where is n is the number of shape of Z. N is the number of shape of Z. That will be your answer. So it will become 3n. 3n is your formula for this kind of shape. Okay. In the same way, we will see for V. We will see for V. 2 sticks are required. 2 sticks are required to form the shape V. Okay, so number of matchsticks required is equals to, yes, correct answer, 2 multiply with n. 2 multiply with n. This is your formula for this kind of shape. Okay, the next one is S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 matchsticks are required to form this shape. So what is the formula for this? 5n. For this one, 2n. Okay, 5n, 2n and all. So whatever shapes has given in your exercise, you just go through like this process. Okay, like this process, and when you will do this, then you will see that you can create a formula for each and every shape. Okay, so now we will move to the further questions, that is question number 2. Observe the following pattern of equilateral triangle made of matchstick. How two neighbor triangle have a common matchstick? Find the general rule that gives the number of matchstick in terms of number of triangle. You are getting problem? You are getting problem, beta? See, one thing you have to observe in this question, that is, observe the following pattern of equilateral triangle made up of matchstick. Here, two neighbor triangle have a common matchstick. Two triangle have one common matchstick. Find the general rule that gives the number of matchstick in terms of number of triangle. See, how can we do this question? How can we do this question? See, if we are making a triangle, okay, this one, see very carefully this formation. One triangle is like this and one triangle is like this one. Now if we join, this one is triangle number 1, this one is triangle number 2. If we join these two triangles, what shape will we have? We will have this shape, yes or no? Yes? Okay. See, now how many matchsticks are required to form this one? How many? See, in this one, 1, 2, 3. Simple. In this one, 1, 2, 3. Simple. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So total number of matchsticks are required in this step, that is 6. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Now, after joining these two triangles, how many matchsticks are required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God. What is this? Why there is one stick less? One stick less in this formation. Because of this matchstick is common for this triangle and this one triangle. This matchstick, number 3 matchstick, is common for this triangle and this triangle. So we will not put 2 matchstick here. We will take only one matchstick. So what is the formula required for number of matchsticks? See, triangle has 3 matchstick, one triangle has 3 matchstick, 2 has 6. But if we are joining them, then there is one less. Here is 6 and here is 5. Okay. If we are taking for this one, then we have formula 3n. Okay. If we are taking for this shape, then we have 3n. But for this one, we have 3n is our formula for this one and minus 1. Okay, 1 is subtracted from this number because of this common matchstick. We will take only one matchstick for this formation. Okay, so our formula will be 3n minus 1. 1 is subtracted from 3n because of one stick is repeating. One stick is repeating, so we have to subtract that. See, is it our formula is correct? Let's check it. See, if we have three triangles, 1, 2 and 3, number of matchstick 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So number of matchstick 3, 3, 3. We will add this 3, 3, 6, 6, 3, 9. Now we will join all these triangles. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These all three triangles. Okay. Now, what is the formula for these two? 3n minus 1. See, this is the formula 3n minus 1. Okay, 3n minus 1. And n has value 2. So 3 multiplied with 2 minus 1 according to the BODMAS. When you find multiple sign in one equation, you will follow BODMAS. Okay. So according to the BODMAS, first of all we will multiply 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Now we have three triangle. So what is the value of that? What is the value of the number of matchstick are required to form this one? You can create formula. Yes. Okay, you just create the formula and tell me in comment box. Okay, hope all of you find formula for this process. Let's see what is your formula. If we are joining all three triangles, then it will become like this. Okay, it will become like this one. So what is the formula? This 3n minus 2. 3n minus 2. Let's leave that. See, 3n minus 2. N stands for 1, 2, 3. We require three triangles. So 3 multiplied with 3 minus 2, that is 9 minus 2 is equals to 7 matchsticks are required to form this one. So what kind of formula it is? See, if you want to join two triangles, that will become 3n minus 1. If you want to join two triangles, then that is 3n minus 1. 3 triangle, 3n minus 2. When n is equals to 3, then you have to subtract 2. When n is equals to 4, then you have to subtract 3. If n is equals to 5, then you have to subtract 4. This is your point of concern. 3n minus, when you require 2, 3, 4. 3n minus 3, 5, 3n minus 4. Okay. So this is the proper method to solve these kind of question. You will solve all the question, and then if you have any problem, let comment in comment box. Okay. Thanks for watching.